Hello students, let us discuss physical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. First of all, we talk about physical state. Haloalkanes in general are colorless when pure and sweet smelling liquids. The lower members like methyl chloride, methyl bromide and ethyl chloride and some of the chlorofluoromethanes are colorless gas at room temperature. Even the higher members are observed to be liquids or solids. So in the list we can find that the lower members are usually gas in state and the higher alkyl halides up to C18, that is carbon number 18, these are found to be in liquid, and further higher alkyl halides are found to be solid in state. Solubility. Although the haloalkanes are polar in nature, but they show very slight solubility in water because haloalkanes are not able to form hydrogen bond with water. So they show very less solubility in water. But chlorobromoiodide derivatives are soluble in organic solvents such as alcohol, ethers, benzene, etc. So what we can conclude that haloalkanes are more soluble in organic solvent than the water. Density. It is observed that alkyl fluorides or alkyl chlorides are lighter than the water and alkyl bromides or alkyl iodides are heavier than the water. It means fluorides and chlorides have lower density than the water, but bromides and iodides have greater density than the water. It is observed that the density increases in the order fluoride to chloride, bromide and iodide. That means iodide will show greater density than the bromide, than the fluoride, than the chloride. Density also increases with the increase in the number of halogen atoms. As shown in the table, with the increase in the number of halogen atom, we can find that density also increases. Therefore, the density is maximum in the case of CCl4 because there is 4 chloroatom. In the case of CHCl3, that is chloroform, there is only 3 chloro, and in the first case, that is CH2Cl2, there is 2 chloro group. So the density is increasing with the increase in the number of halogen atoms. Next is boiling point. Boiling point increases with the increase in the size of halogen atom. So when we look at the size of halogen atom, from top to bottom, the size is increasing. That is the maximum size in the case of iodine and it is minimum in the case of fluorine. So when we compare a haloalkane, we found that if with the increase in the size of halogen atom, the atomic weight is increasing. That means it shows a greater increase in the boiling point also. So we can say that the boiling point increases with the increase in the size of halogen atom in haloalkane. Similarly, the boiling point also increases with the increasing size of alkyl group. When you look at the structures given here, in all these similar halogen atom is there, either fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. But in all these cases, you can find that number of carbon atom, or we can say the size of alkyl group is increasing. So size of alkyl group increases. So we can say that the boiling point also increases. So it is maximum in the case of 4 carbon haloalkane, then the 3 carbon, then 2 and then 1. So minimum in the case of methyl chloride and maximum in the case of the fourth one, that is 4 carbon haloalkane. But the boiling point decreases with the increase in the branching. So as given the structures here in all these structures, the number of carbon atom, hydrogen and number of halogen atom is same. But there is a branching in this. So when the branching increases, it is observed that its boiling point decreases, because by increasing in the branching, the surface area decreases. Therefore, it shows a decrease in the boiling point. When we compare the properties of alkane and haloalkane, it is observed that alkanes are non-polar, but haloalkanes are polar because of a CX bond, that is polar bond. Alkanes have low molecular mass. Haloalkanes have high molecular mass because of the presence of halogen atom in it. And in alkane there is weak van der Waals forces, but in the case of haloalkane, stronger van der Waals forces. Alkanes have low boiling point. Haloalkanes have high boiling point, and the example is given here. Boiling point of methane is given and boiling point of chloromethane is given here. So this is a comparative study between alkane and haloalkane. So in this video we discussed about the physical properties of haloalkane. These are, that is, a physical state, solubility, density, boiling point. And also we have compared some general properties of alkane and haloalkane. In the next video, we'll be discussing the further details. Thank you everyone.